Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba Eternity Alpha Director confirms game's official release is just a few days away. Shiba Eternity is currently on its early test run in Vietnam. The game has around 1,000 downloads to this day. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Shiba Eternity has no specific release date. SHIB was trading down 2.34% at 12.25. Shiba Eternity, the upcoming collective card game, CCG, currently in its early test run in Vietnam, is just a few days away from its official release, according to Shiba Inu game Alpha Director William Volk. The industry veteran shared on his Twitter account on August 22 that he will promote Shiba Eternity at the Gamescom in Cologne, Germany. Warner Brothers, Sega, 505 Games, Koch Media, 2K Games and Bandai Namco are just some of the big names in the industry attending this year's Gamescom, which is scheduled from August 24 to August 29. While at the event, Volk shared some interesting details about the game to some reporters present, including the game's release window, which aligns with the timeline Shiba Inu's pseudonymous lead developer Shitoshi Kusama previously shared. The industry veteran confirmed the September official launch window as well as the highly anticipated download day. It will come out probably in September for other regions, and we'll have a download day where we intend to get the SHIB army to all download it, Volk said in an interview at Gamescom. However, with more than 25 years of leadership and experience in the video game industry, Volk knew better than rushing things just to please the fandom would not work if the game turned out loaded with bugs and issues at release. Before we do the worldwide launch, we're going to make sure it's fully tested, and that includes handling a volume of users playing together, Volk clarified. It may be recalled that the Shiba Inu game's alpha director shared his surprise and amazement with the SHIB army for its overwhelming reception of the game's early test run in Vietnam. The industry veteran shared that the team has to boost the gameplay server capacity by 50-fold just to accommodate early test players. Wow, we had to increase the gameplay server capacity 50-fold to deal with the players coming in from the Vietnam test launch, the tweet read. There is a world of difference between the volume of users playing together in the game's early test run and the actual release, where it will be available in various regions all over the world. The team is more likely preparing right now for the potential issues at release, including conducting runs to immediately fix bugs and glitches. So far, Volk said that the early test run in Vietnam had amassed 1,000 downloads, which, considering that it is only exclusive to iOS users in Vietnam, is already impressive. Despite the latest statement of the Shiba Inu game's alpha director, Shiba Eternity has no definitive release date yet. Kusama, despite being very excited about Shiba Eternity, to the point of spilling the upcoming download day where everyone can download the game without the need to shell out any dime, did not offer any specific timeline for the said event. The team is more likely careful of giving out the specifics so it won't disappoint expectant fans. Shiba Eternity is just one of the many upcoming projects lined up to release this year and in 2023 for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The game was announced in November 2021 and developed by Playside Studios. SHIB, the native token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, was trading down 2.34% at 12.25 with a 24-hour volume of $404 million, 300 million SHIB burned by this new burner, 276 million SHIB gone in 24 hours is reported by Shibburn, a tracking platform focused on transactions that reduce the current circulating supply of the Shiba Inu K9 token. Within the last 24 hours, the SHIB army has managed to burn more than 250 million SHIB. Another big lump of SHIB gets burned. The overall amount of Shiba sent to dead-end wallets in the past day and night comprises 276 million tokens in 22 transactions. Besides, close to the same amount of meme coins was burned in a single transfer by a mysterious wallet, a total of 160 million feet SHIB. Burns are performed by the SHIB army on a daily basis in order to reduce the amount of Shiba Inu tokens circulating on the market at the moment. Burning implies sending tokens to Inferno wallets, from which they cannot be withdrawn or spent, basically getting locked there and pushed out of circulation, so a coin becomes more scarce. The SHIB army burns its coins in hope that when the coin becomes scarce, its price will spring up the chart. This new platform has burned nearly 300 million feet SHIB, a new SHIB spin-off build on the Binance Smart Chain, BNB chain, that trades on the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange, Shiba, is also taking part in burning Shiba Inu. In a recent tweet, a Twitter account related to it, at Shiba Bay Token, announced that more than 2 weeks ago they burned 139 million feet SHIB, and just recently they removed another 160 million K9 tokens, sending them to unspendable wallets. Can Shiba Inu reach $1 by 2023? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million% in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic when 2021 began. Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million%. It's a far cry from 121 million%, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility and crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. This amount of tokens comprises $37.6 million. The second most popular K9 token after Dogecoin is now holding 4th place among whales' assets, accounting for 5.26% of their massive portfolio. Record 200 billion SHIB sold by investors in 2 massive transactions. Shiba Eternity launch. Previous comments from Shitoshi Kusama suggested Shiba Eternity could launch in September, something Volk noted too. It will come out probably in September for other regions, and we'll have a download day where we intend to get the SHIB army to all download it. However, Volk stressed the need for testing beforehand, referencing Shigeru Miyamoto's iconic quote about delayed games being good. Before we do the worldwide launch, we're going to make sure it's fully tested, and that includes handling a volume of users playing together, he said. Volk did note that performance and response times are now looking good. Earlier in August, Shiba Eternity went live in Vietnam for its first round of testing. While at the time Volk claimed they need to increase servers 50x to match demand, the numbers were quite different. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.